Assalamu alaikum class 5. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. So this is your maths video in which we are going to revise our chapter number 8, that is perimeter and area. So already you have already done all the exercise of area and perimeter, and you know very well so how we can find the area and rectangle with the following these formulas. So how we can find the area of square is L into L, that is L square. And how we can find the area of rectangle? The formula is L into B. So basically area is any shape that is surrounded from all the sides by a line where the starting and ending lines are same. It means closed shape is your area. Now perimeter, we can find perimeter with two shapes, that is square and rectangle. So perimeter of square is 4L, means four sides of square are we can add four sides of square, that is 4L, and perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Basically it is the path of surrounding the area of a closed region, that is the sum of all the dimensional sides of a shape. We can find it with the following two formulas. Now move on to exercise that is on your page number 156, exercise 8a. You all have already done all the exercise, but we can revise these so you also can use these. So question number 1 is fill in the blanks. That is, let's say part A, we can find the perimeter of any dash shape of any closed shape. Closed. C-L-O-S-E-D. B is perimeter of square with side L is equals to, the formula of perimeter of square is 4L. 4L. Now move on to next page, that is page number 157, question number 2, true false. A is perimeter is the sum of all the boundary lines of a shape. Yes, this is true. We can find the perimeter of rectangular shapes only. No, this is false. We can also find the perimeter of square as well. Now move on to question number 5. Find the perimeter of each rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle, the formula of perimeter of rectangle is 2L plus B. Now let's say we can solve part A, that is L is 4 centimeter. We can simply put these to the formula 4 plus and B is 3. So 4 plus 3 is equals to 7, and we can simply multiply 2 with 7, that is 7 2s are 14 centimeter square. Now question number 6, that is find the perimeter of a square with following sides using the formula perimeter of square. So perimeter, the formula of perimeter of square is 4L. All the four sides, dimensional sides, we can add it. Let's say part A, that is 30 centimeter. We can simply multiply 4 with 30. So your answer will be 120 centimeter. Alright student. Okay, now move on to exercise 8b, that is your area part, which is on your page number 163. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. The closed region in a shape is called its closed region, that is area. Let's say part D. In a rectangle, L is 9 centimeter and B is 4 centimeter. Then its area is, we can know that the formula of area is L into B. So we can simply multiply 9 by 4, that is 36 centimeters, your answer. Okay, now move on to page number 164, true false. Let's move direct on part C. The area of a square with each side 5 centimeter is equal to 20 centimeter. No, this is false. Why? Because we already know that the area of square is L square. We can simply put 5 square and 5 5s are 25. So this is false. If L is 18 centimeter and B is 1 centimeter, then the area is 18 centimeter. Yes, this is true because we can simply multiply L into B. 18 ones are 18. Okay, last question, that is on your page number 167. Question number 10. Use the formula to work out the areas of following rectangles. We can simply add formula of area of rectangle. So the formula of area of rectangle is L into B. Let's say question number 1 is L is 10 centimeter and B is 7 centimeter. So simply we can multiply 10 with 7. Your answer will be 70 centimeter square. Now move on to question number 11. That is, use the formula to work out the areas of the following squares. Let's move, say part number B, that is L is 40 centimeter. So we already know that the area formula of area of square is L square. So we can simply multiply 40 by 40. It means 40 ka square and 40 multiplied by 40. Your answer will be 1600, not 160, 1600 centimeter. आई होप क्लास आप लोगों को इस चैप्टर की समझ आ गई होगी. टिल देन टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.